Hi, welcome to AlgoLearn Crypto app. This app empowers traders to transition from manual to algorithmic trading with confidence. The app's structured 4-step learning path guides users through market analysis, price discovery, strategy validation, and live automation. Begin with the market analysis screener to identify oversold and overbought opportunities using technical indicators like RSI and Bollinger Bands. Next, compare prices across exchanges to spot arbitrage opportunities. Then, validate different trading strategies with robust backtesting tools, ensuring optimal performance before going live. Finally, automate trades effortlessly via TradingView integration. Key features include hands-on backtesting with real crypto data, pre-built Pine script strategies for immediate deployment, multi-exchange price comparison for arbitrage insights, no-code automation for seamless execution. Ideal for traders tired of 24/7 chart monitoring. AlgoLearn Crypto offers a smarter way to trade. Stop relying on emotions, start trading with algorithms, and scale your profits while you sleep.